Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and this is how to pair the G435 using Bluetooth, in my case with a Mac computer, but you could use the same procedure for other equipment as well. Now keep in mind, I'm not using the dongle that was included, I'm only using Bluetooth. So I'm pairing it with my MacBook Air M1. Now one would think that you might power on, pushing the power button right there. And when it starts flashing blue, one may assume that it's in pairing mode, and your Mac may even see it within Bluetooth, but that's not the case. So to pair these, and it's actually quite simple, but it was confusing, you're going to want to hold this button here, the power button, and then that button there, which is the microphone button on the bottom. You're going to want to hold that button and this button at the same time for 3 or 4 seconds or so, and you'll start to see that light right there on the top flash. Now that's a different flash than if you do it another way. But once that starts to flash, you should be able to pair your Mac with the Logitech G435 without issue. So it's confusing, but just to recap, you're going to want to push this button while you're holding that button down. You're also going to want to hold this button down. So the microphone icon button and then the power button. Hold them both down for about 3 seconds or so until that light right there on the top starts to flash. And when it does, you should be able to pair. I hope this video saved a lot of frustration. If it did, feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. And if it really put a smile on your face, feel free to send me a super thanks. Not required, but if you choose to do so, you can find the thanks button down below this video, and that's a great way to support my channel and videos like this. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And these are great. This is a great headset. You know, it's got an integrated mic. Sound quality is really good, and they're very comfortable. See how padded that is? But I think that's why I got such a good deal on these, because a lot of people were probably confused by that. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order these headphones, or I should say headset, because it's headphones plus microphone online. And they come in a variety of different colors. I like this color, but there may be a color you like more. Again, expand this video's description and click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.